7. Without using calculator, work out this. Okay, you must show all your workings. Okay, give your answer in as fraction in its simplest form. 4/7 divided by 5/21. Okay, so this equal to 4/7. To divide, you need time. Change it to time. Okay, for that we want to make it easier, so we just change this to so 1. We just change to improper fraction. So this will be 21, 26/21. Okay, so 1, you times 21, you plus 5, everything 21. Okay, 26/21. And to divide, you change it to time, and you flip the other. Then you flip 21, 26. Now you can simplify. 7 and 1, 21 is 3. Okay, and then this is 1, this is 2 and 13. So you calculate, you should get 6. Where is it? 6/13. This will be its simplest form. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.